Miss 5250 here. Crazy for justice. And justice is something I'm not getting. This is an email to the criminal desk. I was trying to get back on calendar. After, my attorney appeared in court and threw me under the bus and let a warrant be issued for my arrest. Criminal court, they don't care anything about that. I went down to the courthouse on the 23rd. So, I'm just explaining what's going on, who I am, that I went to the courthouse on the 23rd, try to get back on calendar, I have a bench warrant. I did not simply fail to appear. Ms. Pack, my brand new counsel, was aware. I still do not have body-worn camera video that has the axon data for Wamhoff and Wilson. I don't know if body-worn camera exists for Desmond. I don't think he turned his on. These 3 officers are listed on the criminal complaint. The first 2 officers on scene are not listed. I need their body-worn camera too. Nobody cares about that. That there were 2 cops there first. But the it's not the criminal complaint, it's the arrest file that FPD has, where it says that I stomped on this officer, on Wamhoff's foot 3 times, which is a complete lie. So here is the response that I got from that email. Put yourself back on calendar. They don't care about any of it. So here is another email I sent trying to get public records for the Malcolm Walls aspect of this case. She doesn't, and here's Tiffany not caring. So I had reached out to, among a lot of other places, the Electronic Frontier Foundation. And here is the response I got from the Electronic Frontier Foundation. I requested that my attorneys allow and give them permission, but they didn't do that. No, instead, what my attorney did when I got myself back on calendar was to doubt my ability to stand trial. That's what she did. So I want to post this because tomorrow I go to court and to find out the results of my competency, to see if I am competent to stand trial, which, I won't be. I obviously won't be competent to stand trial because that would be bad for Fresno PD, and that would be bad for Fresno DA. I was arrested under a PC 837, which is a citizen's arrest. There is no private person's arrest form filled out. None of the PC 837 shit. And none of the attorneys question that. They're weaponizing mental health. When I threw a fit because my phone was gone and the cops had it, I'm put on a 5150 within, a few days of that. And now this competency bullshit. So I'm pretty terrified about what's going to happen tomorrow, because if you're found incompetent to stand trial, then they can throw you in a mental institution for up to 3 years. They would love that. I would just love to do that. So if this is my, last post, you guys know what happened. I'm locked up in some funny farm, and I would hope that someone would take some kind of action, because this is wrong. What is happening? It's very wrong. Okay, people, that's it for now. Miss 5250. Be well and be free.